Hey there, April Marie Tucker here, L5 leader and EMT member within My Lid System Pro with a quick training tutorial for you that's definitely going to save you a ton of time with sharing your content on social media. Now, this is the exact strategy that I use on my Instagram to share all my content onto all of my social media accounts in literally no time at all, really. So I'm going to share with you how I do that. Now, with the holidays coming up, we're just approaching Christmas. I don't know about you, but I know for me, I'm going to be traveling, I'm going to be spending time with family, and I need a content strategy that's going to work with me while I'm traveling, while I'm having fun and doing all the fun stuff. So this is something that you can definitely utilize during the holiday season and throughout all your marketing, really, to make sure that you're staying consistent and staying on top of your social media while going through the holidays. So I'm really excited to share this with you. So that we're looking at right now, we're looking at my Instagram account, and this is so simple, guys. I share all of my content onto my Twitter, my Pinterest, my Facebook, and I do it all right from Instagram. And, even LinkedIn, I even share it to LinkedIn, and I just do it while I'm posting on my Instagram. I'm going to show you how to set that up so that way every time you post, you can easily share right to your other social networks, so that way you can stay consistent with it. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up one of my posts just to give you a quick example. This is a post that I put out yesterday, and this one right here, all I really do is I share to my Facebook, and I always add a hashtag Twitter, which natively will post it to my Twitter account so that it shows up like I actually uploaded the picture. And I use a tool, it's called If That Then This, and I'm going to show you how to set that up. It's really simple to do. I'm going to really quick see if I can jump on over to Twitter here and show you what I mean by natively posting. So like when you share on Instagram, you do have some options to be able to share also onto other social networks, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. Okay, so on Twitter though, the problem is when you don't use if that then this and share natively, the problem is it's just going to give you a link instead of an actual picture. Now you can actually see the picture is actually being uploaded right to my Twitter. So it's pretty neat. Actually, I'll just show you one more. So this one also too, this is one that I can use, I use for if that then this. And you can see right here there is a link. So what's really cool is that this is a link to the actual Instagram post. However, when they open it up, it is uploaded. It is showing as not just the link. It's actually showing as it was natively uploaded right to Twitter. So that's why I really like to do it this way. I've kind of got this whole little recipe figured out with all of my social networks so that way when I'm posting on Instagram, I'm saving a ton of time by just posting it one time. Another thing that you're really going to want to make sure that you do for this especially is connect your Facebook to your Facebook fan page if you want to share there to your Instagram. And you can easily do that by going into your settings right here and then going over to your linked accounts. Okay, and then opening up Facebook here and then just click on where you want to share it on your Facebook. Now, by default, it's going to automatically share to your timeline, your profile. If you have a business page, which you should, if you don't already, make sure you do get one. You want to select that you're sharing it to your business page when you post to Facebook. Now, what this will do, so this is not, we're not going to use if that then this for Facebook, okay? We're just going to use that. Now, basically what this is going to do is when you do click the share button, oops, wrong one, share button here, and you want to share, you will just select Facebook when you're sharing. Now, there's times where I don't want to share to my Facebook. There's times where it's just, I just want to speak to my Instagram account, my audience there, so I don't share it to Facebook. So it's really important that, you have that option so you can speak to each social network when you want to, and you're going to talk differently a lot of the times to your Facebook than your Instagram at times. So it makes it a lot easier when you can just come back, edit the post a little bit, and then share it to Facebook, okay? So that's usually what I do if I'm going to just, talk to my Facebook audience. I will come back and then I will edit my post, the way I would speak to my Facebook audience, and then I would share to my Facebook. So let's head on over to If That Then This really quick and set that up. It's really simple. Like I said, just go ahead and search in your app store. If you're on an iPhone or you're on an Android, either one will be fine. You just usually all you have to do is type if, and you'll probably start to see it as soon as you pull it up. It will come in a, more of an aqua. You'll notice the aqua blue here in the top, and you'll be able to recognize it through that. Now you can see there's recipes. So basically, let me back up really quick and let me explain to you what If That Then This is. Basically, what it is it's a recipe, basically. So, I mean, this can work for not just your social media. I mean, I even noticed people that use the Nest for their thermostat can have a recipe for that. So it really works with your smartphone and a lot of the different apps that you might be using and so on. So it will basically allow you to set up a recipe so that if you post to Instagram, then you post to Twitter. So that's where it comes. That's where the name comes from, If That Then This. So if I post to my Instagram and then I put the hashtag Twitter in my post, If That Then This knows then to post it also to my Twitter. Okay, so if that makes any sense. Same thing for Pinterest. If I post to my Instagram, If That Then This knows to post to my pin board on Pinterest, and you actually can select which pin board you want it to post to. So I'm going to show you how to set that up. It's really easy, like I said. When you first come on, you're going to see this browse here up at the very top. You're just going to go ahead and click on that so that you can go to manage. Now, I honestly did not know how to do that. That was something that was hard. I'm like, how do you manage? How do you add it? So I couldn't even find the button, but it is just kind of hidden there. You just want to make sure that you select the browse and then just turn that browse, pull it over to the left. And there you have it. Now you've got it. Now you can see I've got all my recipes on the left here. You can see what recipes are running. You can see I go from Instagram to Pinterest here. I also shared to my Gmail, so I actually get an email. That way I can save all my content. I also, when I post to Instagram, I have it automatically saved to my Google Drive so that all my content is being backed up in case something ever happens or I need that content later. I can just go in my Google Drive and it's all there. I also have it posting to Twitter a lot of the time, which I didn't today, but here we go. Here's to Twitter. So you can see right here now I'm posting to Twitter, Pinterest, and also LinkedIn. I just set up a new recipe for LinkedIn as well, which I haven't really used. You can see share your Facebook page status on LinkedIn. I actually deleted that one, but I just added a different one because that one wasn't working. So let's just go ahead and take a look at some of these that I have, just so you know some of the things. Like I like to share to Pinterest. Pinterest is a big one. Pinterest is a place where you can share images. So it makes sense for me to share some of my quote images. And actually for Pinterest, I'm actually on a board that's all, for quotes, and it's a group board. So there's a lot of different people on that one. So it's actually being shared in a really hot spot too. So I have that one. I also have one where I share from my natively to my Twitter, of course. And then I have the one for Google Drive, like I had mentioned before. Let's see here. What else do I have? And then the one also that emails me. I also added that if I post on YouTube, that it automatically shares to my Twitter as well. So, just go ahead and go through. I mean, there's a lot of them. You really can just find a ton here. So we're just going to go ahead and add one now. So see the little plus button here. So let's say, I'm just going to say for Instagram, okay, so I'm going to go, if I share on Instagram, so I'll just add Instagram, and we'll just say, you can actually say new photo by you with a specific hashtag, you like a photo, new photo by anyone with a specific hashtag, new photo by specific user, so you can actually share other people's stuff, new videos, you like a video, any new video by you. For this one, I'm just going to say any new photo by me, okay? So you can actually, if you want to, also do it by hashtag. So let's say, for example, if you don't want that recipe to run unless you tell it to by adding that hashtag, you can do that just like I do for Twitter. All right, so let's see here. You can see all these different ones here. There's all kinds. So these are not anything that I want right here. I'm going to stick with the social media So let's say I want to share to, you know, my Facebook page, for example, or no, my Facebook. How about this? My Facebook. I can automatically share it to my Facebook. Now, I don't automatically share to my Facebook on Instagram right now. So, you know, it would be nice to be able to do that. I'm gonna try. Let's see. All right, let's see. Create a status message, create a link to post, or upload a photo from the URL. I think I want to upload the photo from a URL. Let's see what happens when I do that. So it's going to say photo URL, the source URL, caption URL, album name. I can actually have it go to an album if I wanted to create that. Let's see what the other ones are. Facebook is a social now. Okay, and they update their profile. Create a status message. So let's see. So I can actually have it create a status message or create a link post and then a message. So let's do this. Let's do the caption, the URL, the source URL, and then let's just click next. Yes, I do want to receive notifications when it runs. I want to make sure my stuff is running, you know, so I always make sure I have that on. And then it's just really just click finish. And this really saves me so much time because now I'm running my social media through my Instagram and a lot of my content is just being automatically distributed to some of the accounts that I really want it to go to. Now, there's other ones too. Let's say you want to, you know, share from your fan page, your Facebook page. Anytime you have a new status message on a page, new photo upload on a page. Now let's see if we can find something good to share maybe on another social network that I'm not already connected to. These are all the services. I'm not really seeing anything, but I could share it to my Facebook profile. I'm not going to do that. Let's see here. I think I got them all that I really want to do. I could share to my LinkedIn. I could share to my Twitter every time I post, but that will actually kind of interfere with what I'm doing. So I don't want to do that. Yeah, so I'm good, but you can definitely, you know, you'll probably see things in here because you're not connected with everything like I am, but you'll probably see some of the things that I'm already connected to. But sharing to Twitter if you wanted to, you could share to Flickr. That would be interesting, share to Flickr. I'm not connected to Flickr, but, you know, if I was, then I could do that. Oh, maybe I am connected. Okay. So every time I post on my fan page, it will a picture, it will automatically share it to Flickr. So all kinds of different recipes that you can create, and this is something that's so simple and will save you so much time when you are running your social media. Like I said, just putting your content out there, especially with the holidays coming, and you know, Christmas will be here before you know it. This is something that you can do on the road, wherever, and I really wanted to get it out to you guys today. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, this quick training, and if you did, be sure to leave me some feedback below this video. Also, if you do appreciate the content and you think your friends will appreciate it as well, please do share it with your friends too. There's social media buttons somewhere around here, and all you got to do is click share and share the love. With that, I will leave my Instagram cheat sheet below. You can see right here, I actually have it loaded up below. There's a 10-point PDF that you can check out that will basically give you the exact steps that you need to take to get followers and get leads on Instagram. So check that out, and I will see you guys on the next post. Bye for now.